Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, TikTok. TikTok. We are going to cook sardinas with sibuyas and bawang and spring. Spring is the oil. Okay. And we have the ligo kasi you need to take a shower. And that's all. We hope to see you again in the next our video. Mwah! Mwah! Matagal pa pala. And now, what? I don't know, bibig. Okay. And now we are going to wait. What? We are waiting to cook our rice because it look like a lugaw. It feel like I'm drowning. Again. Ay, may naisata. And we have a